Hi traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView. Welcome to episode number 75 of Trading Talk. This episode was recommended by one of the traders here, Bisher, who's been getting a lot of questions from his clients on how they can close out trades or a group of trades when they lose a fixed amount of money or they make a fixed amount of money. So for example, if you make $100 on the trading model, you might close all the trades out at $100 profit. In this episode, we're going to show you how to build it. Also, in other news, we're getting very close to the pointy end of the Algo Trading Conference for 2018. We've already filled up over 130 seats, and we're going to be able to take up to 150 people. So if you haven't got your ticket yet, I'd really suggest getting one ASAP. Also with the conference, we're further developing the models and the concepts to give you guys as much value as we possibly can. And it turns out that Kevin Davey is probably going to be presenting 3 of his own trading models, not just one. So that would be 3 models from Kevin, 1 from Ali, and 1 from Dr. Tom Stark. Also with Tom's, because it's quite an involved model, it's a pairs trading model, and it uses some concepts that are really going to push the boundaries of MT4. It looks like we're going to provide you some really great indicators that are custom indicators that we've built to support the model, and of course you can use with other models in your own trading. So a lot of extra value there. If you've got a ticket, I'm sure you're really looking forward to it. If you don't have a ticket, then you should get one ASAP. That's all for now. Hope you really enjoy this episode, and until next week, all the best with your trading.